Hi, Karen here, Chief Fermentation Officer at Kraut Source. Well, in celebration of Father's Day, we are making a fiery fermented hot sauce. And speaking of Father's Day, we are running a special. We are offering our super duper stainless steel fermentation top along with a packet of Omnivore salt that's created by the famous Angelo Garo, together for just $35. So make sure you hop over to our website and get them before the offer expires on June 21st. Okay, so now onward to our fiery fermented hot sauce. And by the way, I do use Omnivore salt to make the brine to ferment these hot chili peppers along with other ingredients. Before I show you how to do it though, I am going to put on my pair of goggles and also gloves, because all that volatile hot chili oil can really sting my eyes and hurt my skin. So when you make your fiery fermented hot sauce, you might want to do the same. All right, if you're ready, let's make it. And here are the ingredients that you will need. You also want to make a brine by dissolving 1 tablespoon Omnivore salt in 1.5 cups water. And you want to destem the peppers, and I would recommend that you remove the seeds as well. Put all the ingredients into a quart-size wide mouth mason jar, fill it up with the brine, and put on your Kraut Source, and then allow to ferment for at least 2 weeks and up to a month. All right, so after you fermented your peppers and other ingredients for about 2 to 3 weeks, you want to remove your Kraut Source unit and strain everything out. So straining everything out, make sure you save the fermented brine because that can be used to marinate things too. After straining, place everything into a blender and add about 1/4 cup of that fermented brine that you strained out, and put the cover on and turn this on. All right, once it's pureed down to like it's kind of slushy, then you add in your other ingredients. We are going to add in about 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And then we're just going to let that puree a little bit further so that everything is mixed in well. Now, after blending it, you do want to taste this to see how it is, because as you know, some chili peppers can be really, really hot. So taste it, add more of the maple syrup, the vanilla, and cinnamon according to taste. But basically, we're ready. This looks awesome. Now you can take your fiery fermented hot sauce and store it in a glass jar.